Alright, so for my independent project, I basically wanted to be writing a book that consisted of at least 20 chapters, and to write this book, I would be using iBooks Author, which is an advanced version of Pages. It's provided by Apple, and it's really easy to use, not clunky like Pages can be. And through this project, I just wanted to be learning how to publish books so I can start my future career as an author. And so this is not Pages, iBooks Author, and this is my book. It consists of 20 parts, and each part is over 1,000 words and has 23,981 words overall over here. 20 pages, but this isn't pages, this is how many chapters, because they format this weird. Apparently there's 766 paragraphs, and there's one graphic, which would be the cover, that I have not made yet. My book is going to be published by the end of the semester, after I've edited it, and all of that jazz. And so basically, how you use Pages is, iBooks, not Pages. You open it, and then this pops up because I have it there. But there's a lot of templates you can use, and I use Novel because I'm writing a novel. And so, once that loads, you get these 4 things pop up automatically. Table of contents is based off of what's here, so you can make multiple chapters, and I'll just make a few for examples. And so if you go back to this, you have a whole bunch, the chapters here are listed here, and that's it. And then the glossary, if you want a glossary. I didn't use it, so I don't really know much about it, but I'm pretty sure if you just search words or something, I have no idea how it works. But to start your book, you just give it give your book a title, not the chapter title. I'm having problems. Okay, we'll just name it Apple because that's the first thing that came to my mind. And then you give it your name, and then you can drag in a picture. I don't know if I have a picture right off the bat, sorry. Okay, I have a picture. Just drag in a picture, and then you can edit it however you want it, and blah blah. Make it look all fancy. And then you can go to your chapters and give your chapter name, and then you start typing your story. And so notice, as soon as I hit enter, the next line became tabbed, which that's automatic. I didn't tab it myself, and that's the default. If you don't want it to be indented, you just do what I just did. Go up to this little paragraph thing, and then select the body, no indent, and then you can start typing. And and then you hit enter, and it automatically indents again. There's a lot of different options you can use, like different basic formattings. I just used these 3. This one I used for my messages, like if my characters were texting each other. Basically, they didn't text, but it's whatever. And yeah, those are the 3 that I used, but you can still use a lot more. Like, I'm pretty sure, a lot of these I did use, but I didn't choose to use. They were just the defaults for the chapters and stuff. And yeah, there's already, I think this is broken because I don't think there's 727 words on this page in this book, unless they include what? And usually the chapter will edit up here. Sometimes it doesn't because there's just like a connection error or whatever, and it doesn't update here. But like if I go to this one and name it, it appears up here, which, yep. And let's go back to my book. Don't save. So yeah, my glossary is empty because I didn't use it, because I don't have any big fancy words that people won't understand. Unless you don't know what, there's no big words. I don't think there's a single big word unless you count my made up words for stuff. But yeah, there's 20 parts, prologue, and 19 chapters. And yeah, that's my book. I'll publish it at the end of the semester.